Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your rear windshield wiper. First, ensure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Gather your new wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver, which might be helpful for releasing stubborn clips. Locate the rear wiper arm and the old blade assembly on the back of your vehicle. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and quick. Now, let's remove the old blade. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. Next, locate the small tab or clip where the wiper blade connects to the arm. This mechanism can vary, but typically you'll press a tab or push a button. Once released, slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back onto the glass. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new wiper blade with the connector on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely fastened. Double-check that it feels firm and won't easily detach. Finally, gently lower the entire wiper arm assembly back onto the rear windshield, ensuring it rests flat against the glass. After installation, it's crucial to test your new wiper. Turn on your vehicle and activate the rear wiper with some windshield washer fluid to ensure it operates smoothly and clears the glass effectively. Watch for any streaks or mist spots, indicating improper installation or a faulty blade. Inspect the blade for full contact across the entire glass surface. If everything looks good, you're all set. Also, for more great deals and the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, remember to check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.